Manju Srivalika, what about you?
This is K. Manju Srivalika of 9th class. I am studying Rasi DAV High School in Vishnupuram. My father name is Kola Krishna. My mother name is Kola Shailaja. My brother name is Shivakesha Naidu.
What about Indian
Central level, state level, local level.
detail of
Yeah. In central level, we will choose the Prime Minister. In state level, we will choose Chief Minister. In local level, we will choose MLAs. Lok Sabha members we will elect directly. Rajya Sabha will elect indirectly by people.
Who is the Indian President of India?
Draupadi Murmu.
Who is the present Prime Minister of India?
Narendra Modi. Lok Sabha have minimum 545 members. Rajya Sabha have 255 members. Every year Lok Sabha elected team 5 years. Rajya Sabha members elected as 6 years.
Who is the Chief Minister of Telangana?
Revant Reddy.
Okay, thank you.